US Bank Plus Credit Card Review. In this video, I'm going to show you whether the US Bank Plus Credit Card is worth using. The US Bank Plus Credit Card is a new no annual fee option designed for users who want predictable value without the clutter of rotating categories. It offers straightforward cashback and integrates easily with US Bank's online tools, making it easy to manage your spending rewards in one place. You get unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases, which is ideal if you don't want to keep track of special categories. While there's not groundbreaking, it's competitive for a basic flat rate card. The card also includes fraud protection, cell phone insurance when you pay your bill with it, and digital wallet compatibility. Where it lags is in premium benefits. There are no major travel perks, no lounge access, and no high value sign up bonus. It's a strong card for everyday users who want simplicity and consistency, especially if they already bank with US Bank, but it won't satisfy point maximizers or frequent travelers. It's not flashy, but it's reliable. If you want a card that just works and keeps rewards easy to track, the US Bank Plus is a solid choice. And that's how you decide if the US Bank Plus credit card is worth using.